Hello, we're in Irvine, California today at one of the largest metal distributors in the Southwest with almost 500,000 square feet of warehouse space and 6 retail stores. Family owned and operated since 1948, Industrial Metal Supply is stocked with a wide range of metal products from steel and aluminum to brass and copper, and has honed a reputation for focusing on its customers' needs. Join me today as we meet Irvine's store operator, Ron, to get a behind-the-scenes look at how this company's extensive inventory, robust production capabilities, and exceptional customer service have evolved over 6+ decades of growth. I'm James Webster, and this is Owners and Operators. Ron, thanks for having us here today, Industrial Metal Supply. What types of metals do you guys sell here?
We sell all sorts of metals. We have anything from aluminum to steel, to stainless, copper, brass, all sorts. So in different alloys, I mean, if there's something that we don't have, we can get it for you.
Gotcha.
So we don't need you to be looking elsewhere.
Yep.
We try to make it a one-stop.
Make it happen.
Make it happen here.
What about cutting? So we're seeing this beautiful retail location we'll go through in a second, but there's a lot of very tall pieces of metal and pipes and et cetera. If somebody needs something cut, or how does that work?
So in the warehouse we have some equipment. We have a couple bandsaws that we have, is what we call. It's, obviously we have long product inside the store. Sometimes we have customers having a hard time putting it in their vehicle, so we take it back there, either cut it in half for them, or they want to cut to size, we can cut it to size. Like I said, we have 2 bandsaws. We have a precision saw that we run nothing but aluminum plate on, and we have a shear that we run, sheet up to, we even cut 1/4 inch steel.
Wow. Now, IMS has a few different locations. We're in Irvine. Are there differences between the locations? Are they all the same? Or?
We are a little bit different than our other locations. There's 7 locations of Industrial Metal Supply. Our newest one is San Jose. We just opened San Jose, I want to say, a few years ago. But all the other stores, they run a full shift. They run 3 shifts, from will call in the morning to processing orders in the second shift for deliveries for the next day. Third shift, mostly processing and getting the trucks ready for the next day. Where we here in Irvine focus on will calls, customers walking in, getting their product, and going on with their day. We're open 1 shift here from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock, Monday through Friday, 8 to 12 on Saturdays.
All the other locations have retail as well?
All the other locations have a retail store, but we are the biggest one. Gotcha. We are probably the biggest one right now. I think Phoenix, if I'm not wrong, they just opened up another Phoenix one, a new location in Phoenix, which is about the same size as this one.
Gotcha. Who's your core client?
We have all sorts of different clients. We have from the fabricators, from just the regular welder, the CNCs, constructions. We have schools that come in, robotics teams, all sorts. But I mean, I cannot point out a preference, one specific, because we have all sorts coming in.
Gotcha. How do you guys decide what products to sell?
Well, we have our buyers. Obviously I don't decide, but I can request if I have customers that I see, asking for something specific that we don't have in the store. I can request our buyers, like, hey, we have customers asking for this at all time. Why don't we bring it in to give it a try?
Sure.
But most of the stuff that you see in the store has been bought for years, and we already have the idea of what the client wants that's in the metal industry. Like the elbows and all sorts of different types of products that we have on the floor for them to come just grab and go.
Sure, you could pretty much predict.
Yeah.
Kind of what you're going to need, and et cetera. What would you say your biggest challenge might be today?
Our biggest challenge, at least for us, is the hiring of good people. Obviously, I don't know, I'm pretty sure if you guys, it's something that's going on, I think, just not in our industry, but in every other, business, is, hiring good people that want to stick around, that, just, they want to come in and enjoy what we do.
Sure. There's others. I don't know that there's many, but there's other metal supply companies. Why industrial?
That's easy. Same day service. You can walk call the same day, come pick up the same day. You can walk in our store, grab your product, check out and go. If you want something processed, we can have it to you ready in a few hours, depending on what the day brings. You know, obviously there's days, you know, we can be busy, but we try to deliver it and come through every customer on the daily. So that's why industrial metal is the way to go.
Okay. Where do you source most of your materials from?
We source from different mills, different vendors. You know what I mean? That's the buyers that go out and do the search for us and bring in the product. We also do our own buying on product that we probably need. If there's something, something that I need in inventory ASAP, I have my office manager who's in charge of bringing in product that I request.
I really thank you for allowing us to come in here, Ron, and highlight the business. I think it's important to continue to show what small businesses are doing across this country and how they're helping the community and helping other small businesses grow and prosper. So I really thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us today at Industrial Metal Supply Company. We hope you've enjoyed this episode and look forward to bringing you inside more interesting businesses just like this one. So be sure to punch that subscribe button and follow us so you don't miss out. And if you're interested in having owners and operators showcase your business, please comment below and we will be in touch.